Hi, my name is Kazan, and welcome back! I'm just gonna tell you right now, we're gonna have so much fun today. Or at least we'll give it a try. I have this crazy idea of mixing a small, cute Powerpuff Girl with the big green Hulk. Okay, that's gonna be really stupid. Well, let's give it a try. And if you don't want to miss out on the next freak I'm gonna do, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel right here. Let's go! And now of course the question is, how in the world do you mix a huge Hulk with a tiny Powerpuff Girl? Well, I basically just drew Hulk without fingers or toes and threw in a Powerpuff Girl face. Pretty simple actually. And it looks pretty stupid as well. And I actually have a pretty stupid fact about the Powerpuff Girls. Did you know that the show was originally not going to be a kids show? Craig McCracken, the show's creator, stated in 2000 that when he creates an idea, he writes for himself, not children. In fact, they tried to test the first episode of the show on a bunch of kids in a focus group, and the children hated it. Among other things, the kids found the Powerpuff Girls gross because they had no fingers. At least that was back in the day when Cartoon Network were still cool and loved to experiment with crazy ideas. So we still got the show, and it is a part of my childhood. So, yeah, what can we say about the Hulk? I found an interesting fact about his skin color. Actually, in the original comics, Hulk was gray. But Hulk's creator Stan Lee was very unhappy with the way Hulk looked on paper, because once the comics were printed, they realized they could not keep a consistent shade of gray. So in the end, Stan Lee just chose to make him green. And look at this! Our green Powerpuff Hulk is done! If you like this illustration, then please let me know in the comments below. Maybe you even have an idea for what I should mix next time. See ya! Hulk smash!